bag, and it's amazing because right here the phone, so my hand sanitizer and my vaccination card. Awesome! Diba? And then I can also put like some of my IVs because it's still like, could still fit there. Love it. Crazy.